What is up, YouTubes? Quattro for life here. Just wanted to bring you guys a little video today. Gonna try and do some street racing. Got a few friends at work with some cool cars, you know, similar horsepower, trying to get some races. So had a couple that fell through, but this guy, he got a 2020 Challenger RT automatic. It's only got about 5,000 miles on it. Makes about 375 horsepower, 410 foot-pound of torque. So, you know, probably about 100 horsepower more than the S4 with stock turbo on a tune, but weighs a couple 100 pounds more. And you know, this is just the closest race that I could get for now, so we're just gonna take it, win or lose, you know, just gonna do it in the name of science, just to see the difference. And then, you know, when we get done with the car and we get done upgrading it, we can race again and kind of see how much of a difference it made. So gonna be doing a couple rolls and gonna try to do at least one dig, because I think the dig will actually be a good race, like side by side. So that's what we're looking for here, trying to get to some good races. So pretty excited. So we're just gonna go get it in. Holy fuck, he blew the tires off of that thing. Holy shit, dude. Holy fuck. Yeah, we're gonna have to go from a roll. You ready? Okay. About the outcome I expected. Fucking brakes sound terrible.